Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me today. And on today's video, we're going to be unboxing the MAC Advent Calendar for 2019. It is in this huge box. This cost me $195. The most expensive Advent Calendar I think is known to man. Okay, maybe there's probably a more expensive one, but the most expensive calendar I have ever purchased. It is so gorgeous. Can you guys see all the sparkles? It's a purple sparkly star box, which is incredibly gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. All right. I'm not going to be swatching anything because I want to actually repack everything back up and do it day by day like it's supposed to be done. So, but I really wanted to share with you guys what's in here. Let's get right into it. Day one. A lipstick. Day two. Oh, an eyeshadow. Beautiful. Day three. This is a long one. What is this? Lip Glas. This looks like a full size. Day four. Here it is. Ooh, MAC Pigment. Day five. Here it is. This is a Strobe Cream. Door 6. Another lipstick. 7. Down here. Prep and Prime Lip Balm. 8. This is so exciting. Okay, 8. Lip Glass, not to be confused with lip gloss. This is a nice shade, I like this. Number 9. What is this? Cleanse Off Oil. Number 10. Moving right along here. Oh, an eyeshadow. Let's find door 11. Here it is. A brow set, a full brow set. Awesome. Number 12. Another lipstick. Number 13. Here it is. This must be an eyeshadow because I can tell by the way they wrap it now. Yes, it is. 14. Lipstick? No, what is this? Another pigment. Let's find 15. Here it is. A Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Illuminating Base product. 16, come on, 16. Be good to me. Another lipstick. $17 over here. We have another lip glass. $18. Come here, come to me. Another single eyeshadow. We are on 19. Another pigment. 20. Lipstick. $21. Lip glass. $22. In the middle here, eyeshadow. You can tell by the way it's wrapped. Pretty. Let's do 23. Lipstick. And last but not least, 24. Oh, this is heavy. What in the world? Keychain. So there you have it, the MAC 2019 Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for unboxing that with me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would do that for me. And I just encourage you to enjoy every second of the holiday. I know it can get crazy and I know it can get stressful, but just try to be present in the moment and just enjoy every minute of it. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate you. And I wish you all of the very best this holiday season. Until we meet again, ciao Bella!